Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Pirate Mania! Our story begins many, many years ago in the village of Stony Brook, and at the stately home known as Hardup Hall. Here we find our heroine Cinderella. Hold on a second. Hold on. That's not right. That was this morning's voiceover. There it is. Yes. Don't forget, if you pop down to your local DFS showroom and order your new suite this week, there's nothing to pay until April next. No. Hold on a second. Look, can you help me out here? I know it was here somewhere. I had it here this morning. Is it over there under that? Yeah. Who's done that? Someone's left their pot noodle on it. What flavour? It's beef and... Oh, what does it matter what flavour it is? That's not important, is it? We're not doing market research here, love. We're doing a voiceover. Right. Are we rolling again? Yeah, right, let's start then. But Rory and Bradley never get this trouble, do they, eh? Here we go. Our story begins many, many years ago, on a Tuesday, just before tea time. And on board the Pauline Fowler pirate ship, the dastardly crew are carrying out their pirately duties. Yes, and before anyone writes in, yes, pirately is a word, actually. It's in the dictionary between piranha and pirouette. And so we join this band of bad guys.
Swap the deck and you want me looking for berries, treasure you see. But if a ship along the way should cross our villainous path, we'll climb aboard and loot the lot, cause we're so terribly bad. We are thieves. Pirates, a pirate's not for me. Scoundrels, rascals, sailing the seven seas. We'll come aboard and raise a ship that make you off the plank. Pirates, you wish that you were sank. Ahoy there, mateys! That's it, lads. Quick as you can. Raise the Jolly Roger. Here we go, now is the time, we can't wait, ready to take those pieces of bait. Davy Jones is waiting for you, so you better beware. Shirley Timbers, we're so bad, but we really don't care. Pirates, a pirate's life for me. Scoundrels, rascals, sailing the seven seas. We'll come aboard and manage a ship and make you all the glad. Pirates, you wish that you were sank. Pirates, a pirate's life is for me. Pirates, a pirate's life is for me.
We be pirates, we be. We be the scariest pirates at sea, we be. We be watching CBBC on TV, we be. We be making tea for an old fee for thee, we be. But most of all, we be the dastardly rascals who have kidnapped the Princess Charlotte, we be.
You'll all regret this, I'm telling you. Kidnapping me on my birthday was a rotten thing to do.
Oh, she's a feisty one.
Yeah, she certainly seems incensed to share our ship, that's for sure.
if I'm to be your captor, at least have the decency to introduce yourselves.
I'm you.
You're me.
No, he's me. Yes, I'm me. He's you.
You're who?
No, I'm who. He's you.
He's what?
No, I'm what? He's me.
But how can he be you if you're you?
He is you.
And you're who?
No, I'm who.
You're who?
Yes. Who?
What?
Yes?
You're who?
No, I'm who. He's what. He's you.
He's me.
No, I'm me. He's what. He's who, and he's you.
Right, stop. Let me get this.
I have got it.
No, me. Me, not you.
I'm you.
What?
No, I'm what?
Enough. You're you. You're me. He's what? And that's who.
Hooray!
You got it.
I don't know how.
Oh no, Hal couldn't make it today. He's got a dicky tummy.
Ew.
Oh, no, it's okay. The captain gave him the day off. He had a note from his mum.
The captain?
Yes, Captain Egg Whisk.
Captain Egg Whisk. Why is he called Captain Egg Whisk?
You're about to find out if you dare take the risk. Please be upstanding for Captain Egg Whisk.
Now that's what I call an entrance. Yes, I like that, Captain.
Oh, it was rather good, wasn't it? Would you mind if I did it again?
No, go ahead, Captain.
Oh, thank you. Here we go. Get ready. Once more. Right, last time. Excuse me, Captain, can I have a go? Oh, of course, Willie. It's such fun.
Me, sir, please.
Very well, Cecil.
Can I have a go, Captain Egg Whisk?
Oh, but of course, Twee. Go on. And that just leaves you, Patch.
Well, I'd rather not if you don't mind, Captain.
Oh, come, Patch. Don't be a wet leotard.
Okay, Captain, if you insist. Oh, sorry.
My dear, darling Princess Charlotte, what terrible manners. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Captain Eggwhisk, the most feared pirate on the rolling seas, and connoisseur of light and fluffy egg-based dishes. Yes, my little poppet, the stories of my omelettes are known the world over.
And what's wrong with me?
You, my darling, are the final piece in my search for omelette perfection. Only you have the treasure map that can lead me to the golden frying pan of Queen Delia. We know it's buried away in Hell's Kitchen, but only you can show us where. Eggs marks the spot. Get it?
Oh. Yes.
You do have the map, don't you?
No.
No.
Yes. No.
Where is it?
Well, you see, I had to go.
Go?
Yes. Go. And there was no Shaman Ultra. So.
So?
Yes. So.
And then what did you do with it?
What do you think? I had to throw.
Throw?
Yes. Throw it.
Where?
Overboard.
Oh no!
What a blow. It's so dull. Oh, I know.
Well, that's right. Kidnapping me on my birthday was a despicable thing to do.
Oh, Charlotte, it's your birthday.
We're gonna party like it's your birthday. We're gonna drink Bacardi like it's your birthday.
But I don't give a stuff if it's her birthday.